Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy dice on Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So here we are on Monopoly Go, and to buy dice, the first thing you need to do is head to the Monopoly Go shop. So you can do this by tapping the shop icon in the top left corner, which will take you directly to the shop here. So once you're in the shop, you will see a variety of dice packs available for purchase, so the options may vary depending on your location. But for example, in my case, there's a pack of 40 dice for 99 pesos and 100 dice for 299 pesos. And we also have 220 dice for 499 among other options. So when you purchase a dice pack for the first time, you'll usually receive a bonus. For instance, the 3,700 dice pack here comes with an additional 15,000 dice for 4,990 pesos. Additionally, there are special packs that includes dice along with other rewards, and you can see it here at the top of the shop where you will find bundles like a 99 pesos pack that gives you 60 dice, Monopoly money, and a yellow sticker pack. So you can just swipe here to see other bundles, okay? And don't forget to also check out the daily deals available on the main Monopoly Go screen here. So below the shop icon, you will see various limited time offers. For example, the Polar Pack is priced at 299 and it includes 220 dice, 1.29 million Monopoly money, and a sticker pack. So you can also check out other daily deals here to see other offers. But basically, this is how you can buy dice on Monopoly Go. So that's basically it. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.